Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. I wanted to pop on here really quick just so I can show you what I've made with the limited edition Simon Says stamp love kit. It came out earlier this month in January, and I still have some pattern papers, I think like 3 sheets. I still have some of the, actually most of the cardstock panels that they provided in the kit, and I think I have, yeah, 2 die cuts, ephemera pieces that also came in the kit that I have not used yet. You know, I'm going to actually use the other pieces of paper, pattern paper, for some Valentine cards, kind of like this. And the other panels of paper that came with the kit, I am not going to use right now. I'm just going to put this in my stash. It's still good cardstock. I'm not going to use it just so I can say I smashed that entire kit. But the other 2 ephemera pieces, I'm not sure how I'm going to use it. I'll probably use it when I make the little Valentine's cards. And those Valentine's cards are going to be for my daughter and her, the kids at her church class. So anyway, I wanted to share this with you. I have a lot of cards, as you can see, and just wanted to quickly share some of these beautiful cards that came out. I really like them. I shared these on Instagram already, so you probably already seen if you follow me. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, well, here's what they look like. And I'm sorry about the airplane. I did not share this on Instagram. I'm not very happy with it, so I didn't want to share it, but I will share it here. I do want to say any card that I don't particularly like, I still keep it, assuming that it's okay to send if I really didn't, in my mind, screw it up. And the reason why, even though I may not particularly like the card as much as I do some others, I still like to send them out because whoever gets it, I know it will brighten their day. So because of this ephemera pack that they provided in the kit, it was so easy to make all these cards. Super duper easy. Sugar. When I saw this pattern paper, I immediately went to this stamp set. It came out in Stamptember. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. That's the Tuft embossing folder from Spellbinders. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Love it. Yeah, when I was coloring this, someone asked me if I was a tattoo artist or if I was trying to become one. I'm like, no. And they said, well, it's because that's how the tattoo artists practice. I just craft, I don't tattoo. Anyway, these are so cute. This came on the sheet, one of the cardstock pieces, and I thought, oh, this would be perfect for instead of a card, I thought it'd be perfect for a Valentine's card. I do plan to put a sticker on the back and then punch holes in here, or maybe I'll just tape the sucker. But oh, that'd be a good idea if I put the sucker and then the sticker. That'd be actually a great idea. Yes, I put glossy accents. These are going to go to 3 and 5-year-olds, or sorry, 3 and 4-year-olds. So I don't want to spend too much time making them because they're just going to tear it apart. They're not going to care, right? Gorgeous. So cute. And this is the marquee die from Simon Says Stamp. Oh my gosh, I love that die. It comes in 3 different sizes. I wish it came in like maybe 2 more, but that's okay. I'm making do with the 3 that I have. Anyway, I hope that this gives you inspiration. If you have this kit, I hope that this inspires you to use what you have. And if it does, please let me know. Please also let me know which one of these are your favorite. I think I like the ones where I use the colored card panels. I'm not sure, they're all pretty cute. And if you like this project, share, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd really enjoy it and will feel honored if you did subscribe. Thanks. Until next time.